Good morning. It's raining. I've got all the fittings now to connect the tank to the pump under the house. But who wants to work outside now? It's terrible. Anyway, plenty to do. Please watch the ads, appreciate while they're running. Make yourself a cup of coffee. That would be great. Thank you so much. Okay, back to the bathroom. I know the boss won't be happy, but I'm gonna leave this only painted. This area as well. I just have to fix a little bit here and there. Because I got enough, it's gonna take ages. I may tile another day, another time next year. I want to put some tile here to the floor. I don't have this edge unfortunately, but that's it. That's how it's going to be. And I need to tile this as well to the floor. So it's a bit hard because in here I should have 6-inch, but it's going pretty well actually. This is not coming loose or anything. I need to prepare all this area into up to here. Yeah, got no choice. Now I've got a question for you. This is how it looks now between the wall and the bathroom door frame. So I need to do something here. What I've been told is to use a seal and then paint all white, including maybe the front face of the door frame, because that seal is really dark color. Okay, that's the one I want to use. It's dark in color, but it's a little bit flexible, and it's get a little bit harder after a while, but not that hard. You can still push your fingernail there somehow. So I'm thinking that, you know, a bathroom door is going to open, close, going to move. That may be the best way. And then we just paint on top of it. So, what do you think? Okay, I changed my mind. I'm not going to tile here. It's too hard. I just check the surface and probably going to have to sand it a bit more and paint it again. I'm not sure the tile will hold properly there. So anyway, I'm not going to bother for now. I'm just going to tile this side for sure because we got the sink here. Let's do that. Okay, it's good. Just one tile. I need to get this out of the way somehow. Okay, finish all the walls. Just have to fix a few tiles that. Interesting, this doesn't move anymore. I marked it was moving. So I give a good press and it doesn't move anymore. Maybe I should do that. How about this one? Yeah, this one doesn't move too. This, I don't know. Do I trust that? I'm gonna need a few more days anyway. For sure, this side here will have the screen holder of the shower, so I need to have all this area really good, because if I need to retile, I don't want to pull the shower screen out. But other than that, I think I'm going to clean all this mess, because after that I'm going to prepare the floor and tile the floor. But that will be last. This is once I'm happy with the walls. In there, I don't think I can tile it. I can leave for another day maybe. It's very narrow and there's no water there splashing. This is the sink is here. So I had to put those tiles near the door there for sure. But that's it. I'm gonna have to wait, do all the work and see if things coming off or what's the story. Okay, that's it. It's terrible outside. Look outside, it's terrible. Let's have a coffee. Oh dear.
So many papaya.
We're getting too many papayas here.
But me, I don't have papaya.
This is from our garden. Just under the veranda. They're growing so well.
Why you need to touch that?
I think Jan is preparing something to cook. I don't know, dessert, I think.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
No? Yeah. Yum. I'm gonna have a coffee. I need to wake up. I still got a lot of work to do. Hello, guys. I'm sure you're a bit bored, but hello. Hello. That's the thing that Jan was preparing before. Oh, you're pinching daddy's one, huh? You you don't have enough, my love. Okay, you eat.
Eat na eat.
No, you put in your mouth straight away from the spoon. Yeah, good idea.
You eat. Eat. Eat with the spoon. Use the spoon.
Mmm.
You know. Okay. Show them. Wow, good girl.
Good girl. She know how to eat now with a spoon. Yeah. Oh, she do like daddy. Okay, put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Do like daddy here. Yeah, do that.
Lily will eat. Mommy will
She's
get
not yet.
new one.
We need to nail the thing on the.
Lily eat that.
No, the spoon. Mm. You've seen that? She's learning. I think it's pretty heavy, these two. Daddy's fork. Oh, yum. No, don't touch that, baby. Mommy, bring the tissue and... You can put this in the bowl back and then throw. Okay, we can share.
Give her a little bit. cold one.
She's gonna throw that too. So what you want? You like? You
Really?
prefer daddy's one? Okay, here. Okay. Okay, eat daddy whole otherwise.
Kalat si Bella.
Oh, you got your plate there. Yeah. Yay! Okay.
Really?
Yay! Nom nom nom. What's that?
You're just filling up your plate. Look, chicken, baby. It's sweet potato. Eat. Eat. Yummy. Give some to mommy.
She always do that. She always feed us.
Use the spoon.
Okay, we receive also this street light. 3,000 watts apparently. I don't know. You could think it can light up from either side from a corner if you like. So I want this to take place, replace the one I've got on the corner there, which is not strong enough. I'll just show you quickly. It is, okay, you can see the holder. Sorry. And it's not really powerful, that one. So that's why I bought this one. So that should light up the whole back of the house there, including the tanks and the CR. Price 1,721 pesos, including delivery. And that's another job. Anyway. Maybe still some battery there. Oh yeah, woo! Okay. Had to be strong, I hope. We can only try in the night time, and that will give us a good idea. So tonight maybe I'll just light it up and see how it performs. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.